Power in Partnership launches on the 29th of April 2021. It's not a new concept, but it is a new concept to the marine industry. We're the only company in the UK currently offering this sort of scheme. It's a service-based offering rather than sales-based. It's been used in the aviation industry for over 50 years. It enables the customer to have all the benefits of the Oxy engine without the initial high buy price. This isn't a rental agreement, it's a partnership between us and the end user. It enables them to only pay for the boat when it's out working. This encourages us to make sure that the boat's operating efficiently, limiting the amount of downtime for them and increasing their revenue. This enables them to manage their cash flow better. They know their monthly outgoings based on the amount of hours that they use the boat. We also cover any repairs required to the engine during the lifetime of the contract. This means that there's no hidden large charges for them in the middle of the month. Using our Smart Engineer system, we remotely monitor the engine 24/7. This enables us to work out how many hours they're using it a month, but also it enables us to potentially stop any future failures by monitoring the engine's telemetry systems, pressures, temperatures, and it means that we can then rectify any issues during a planned service intervention rather than it being a breakdown causing downtime and loss of earnings for the customer. Oxy's been in the market for 5 or 6 years now. We've got a proven track record of being able to save customers money. This doesn't benefit the customer if they can't afford the initial outlay of the higher cost of the Oxy engine. Therefore, this scheme enables them to see those cost benefits of reduced fuel usages, reduce servicing costs without that initial high buy price. It also is to push our confidence in the product, that we believe in the Oxy, that it will work, that it will keep working for them, because if it doesn't, we don't get paid. We're hosting a live webinar on the 29th of April to officially launch Power in Partnership and answer any questions that customers have. If you'd like to register your interest, please go to proteum.co.uk.